Fine. What do you want me to do?
Smile. Oh, crap, that's terrifying. We're here to see Kuthra Polly, not kill Batman.
Try less teeth.
Close enough, come on. Hey, Raj.
Hey, guys, what's up? We just wanted to invite you out to dinner tonight.
Let's celebrate your 30 under 30 thing. Right, Sheldon?
It's very nice of you. I would like that.
You, my exotic young friend, are my star.
But you didn't discover him. You merely noticed he was here, much like he did with 2008 in Q sub 17.
Sheldon?
Ugh, sorry.
Well, we got to get you into a better office, something more suited to your status.
Really, you don't have to go to any trouble.
How about if I put you in Von Gerlich's old office?
I'd rather have Fishbine's. It's bigger.
Done.
Wait a minute. I called dibs on Fishbine's office the day he started showing up at work in his bathrobe.
He gets a new office. I can't even get paper towels in the men's room.
Sheldon?
Damn, this is hard.
Okay, big buddy. See you tonight, guys.
You can stop smiling now.
Ah.